Under the dark night sky, a few children, devoted to Ali, A.S., gathered beneath a tree. The moonlight cast a strange glow on their faces, as if illuminating a newfound resolve in their hearts. Among them, Hassan, Zainab, Ammar, and Fatima stood at the forefront. Hassan sighed and said, "Do you know that the children of Palestine are suffering? Every day, innocent lives are taken, their homes are destroyed, and the world remains silent." Zainab spoke sadly. "Why is the world silent? Why aren't Muslims speaking up?" The children looked at one another. Their hearts burned with questions. Then, Ammar spoke passionately. This was the same question when the forts of Khyber stood tall. The Jews sat in their strongholds, conspiring against the Muslims. The Prophet, peace be upon him, sent an army, but they failed. Even then, everyone was silent, afraid. Fatima eagerly asked, "Then how was Khyber conquered?" Hassan smiled and said, "Then Ali, A.S., stepped onto the battlefield." The Battle of Khyber. The ground of Khyber trembled. Marhab stood with his sword drawn, roaring with arrogance. "Is there anyone who dares to face me?" The Muslim ranks were silent. No one had the courage to stand before this giant warrior. Then the Prophet, PBUH, declared, "Tomorrow I will give the flag to the one who loves Allah and His Messenger, PBUH, and Allah and His Messenger, PBUH, love him. He will conquer Khyber." The next morning, Ali, A.S., was called. His eyes were red with pain, yet his courage soared higher than the skies. He took the flag, cried out, "Allahu Akbar," and stepped onto the battlefield of Khyber. Once again, Marhab thundered, "Who dares to challenge me?" Ali, A.S., roared back, "I am the one whose mother named him Hyder." One strike, and Marhab's head fell to the ground. Then came the moment that would be etched in history forever. Ali, A.S., grabbed the unbreakable gate of Khyber, lifted it from its roots, and cast it aside. The fortress of Khyber had fallen, and the conspiracies of the Jews were crushed. Today, Khyber still exists, and so do Ali's followers. The children listened intently, holding their breath. Then Zainab spoke. "So why are Muslims still silent today?" "The Jews are doing the same, killing the innocent, oppressing Palestine," Ammar declared with passion. "And today too, Ali's followers are not silent. The same Haidari spirit, the same honor, the same bravery still exists." Hassan raised his voice boldly. "Yes, anyone who stands against oppression today walks the path of Ali, A.S. The Haidari flag still flies high." The Haidari oath. The children looked at one another, then raised their hands and made a solemn vow. "We are the followers of Ali, A.S. We stand with the oppressed. We will conquer Khyber once again. We stand with the children of Palestine. We will never remain silent." Under the tree, those young warriors, those little Haidari children, were ready to be part of the eternal Haidari caravan. This is the legacy of Ali, A.S. This is the Haidari spirit. This is the light that will continue to conquer every Khyber of every era. Ya Ali, A.S.